Hopefully. Hey, Laura, why don't we go on the highway today? And the moon, straight ahead and up. Oh yeah, oh look, what is that? What, do you know what it is? That might be a black stork because it's white on bottom.
Do you still see it?
No, I don't, oh, yeah, it's way over there. It's big.
Yeah, it is big.
It's really big. Huh. So here we are in Volkersdorf. Voila. Gemeinde Sachsen-bei-Ansbach, Kreis Ansbach. In a 30K zone, and I am going 10K, 9K. Whew, the sun is bright. I hope the cars can see us on the highway. Oh, look at this, Laura. Look at these rhododendrons. Oh my Lord, they're beautiful. Oh, these sunglasses don't help a whole lot. Solange die Erde steht, soll nicht aus something. Summer und Winter, Tag und Nacht. Day and night, seasons keep repeating as long as the earth stands. That was printed on the side of that house. Did you see that?
Smell that?
Oh yes, terrible. Smells like pig. I don't know, maybe I'm getting a little leery of the highway. Let's go back to the other path.
There's only a short distance and there's almost no cars.
There's a cut through right through here, Laura, to that path. We could discover it right here.
Go right and left.
Uh-huh. I think through these apartments all the way to the end, and then there should be a path.
These are not the apartments you're thinking
You sure?
We could test it, but
Yeah, let's just try. No, I think you're right. I'm thinking of some,
thinking of where we came from.
yeah, where we usually get on only. Yeah, you're right. Oh, well, this is interesting.
Love.
Apple tree with little bitty apples. Well, maybe this goes there also. Who knows? Nope.
Go to a field.
And then it's the end of the road. Well, it's always good to know your neighborhood. Oh well. We can see our path over there. Wow. Oh, there's a linden tree right above. And a cherry tree on the left. And an apple tree. And another linden tree, good for the bees. And chestnut tree, or maybe is that a chestnut tree? And a linden, no, not a linden, an oak. I'll have to get out early every day if I'm going to see the big birds, I guess. So we're going to do the highway? Okay. As long as we think the cars can see us in the sun. Boxwood planted in gravel, or with gravel mulch.